in high definition from Fox 58 in Bakersfield. This is Eyewitness News Mornings.
And if you're going to spend time on a plane, train, or car this summer, you're bound to have those travel aches and pains. How to enjoy a pain-free vacation? We'll let you know exactly what to do when Fox 58 returns. Rob, thank you so much. So it is the summertime, and we've got those long car, plane, and tray rides. It's a really big part of the season. And of course, neck and back pains can really ruin that vacation. And I'm joined now by a local expert with some advice on how to keep your trip pain-free. Now, the spine surgeon, Dr. Payman, good morning, and thank you for sticking with us.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so I understand you've got some tips and tricks for people who are going to be planning to head out the door for this summer season travel.
Yeah, I do, and really it comes down to, unfortunately, people think they can just get in that car, get in that train, get in the plane, and not have to worry about their back and neck. But unfortunately, the most innocent things, such as lifting a bag up in the overhead bin or twisting the wrong way or sitting the wrong way, can really put a damper on that entire vacation. So I think it really comes down to having the proper health, proper stretching techniques, proper posture to prevent that vacation from really going south.
Okay, and so really when, people are planning to head out the door, especially for those longer trips, you got to think, okay, I need to pack, I got to set all these, practices up with who's going to take care of the dog and things like that. So what are some other things that people need to keep in mind, especially for their health?
So I think simple little things to remember. Number one, take a ice pack, one of those, portable, transportable ice packs. Take a hot pack. So those two things can be invaluable. Take your over-the-counter medication or prescription medications that you may have that can really be used for when you have a flare-up of back pain or neck pain. The next thing is pillows, something as simple as a lumbar pillow, something that you can place underneath your low back to keep that arch when you're sitting, and or a neck pillow, also for the same purpose. So those simple things that can be packed in a small bag can really be helpful.
All right, and what about the people who are maybe more so having a staycation where they have some more outdoor activities, whether it be golf or tennis, not Texas, or maybe even gardening, things like that? What are some people expected to do, especially with the heat even? Again,
I think the weekend warrior, the golfer, the tennis player, we all think that we can be the next pro, and unfortunately we're not, and that's why we're staying at home.
Right.
So the key comes down to core strengthening. So it's the least glamorous muscle to work out, but the abdominal muscles are key in preventing injuries, especially for golfers, because of all that torque that occurs with the swing, and same with tennis players, basketball players. So if there was one muscle group or one advice that I would give is spending that 5 to 10 minutes focusing on strengthening the core of our muscle group, which is the abdominal muscles, and again 5 to 10 minutes of stretching before playing those sports. And then again, remembering that you're not a pro, so you don't have to hit the 500-yard drive or hit the 10 aces in a row. So just know your own body and play accordingly. All
right, well, Dr. Payman, thank you so much for joining us this morning. So remember, just a few minutes every day can really make some changes on that long-term health goal for us here.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you. We're going to be right back. Stay